When you ask to find the exact value of sine 210 degree without using a calculator, now that's a freehand drawing. We have the first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. As we have learned already, it's all singing teacups, which says the first quadrant has all positive values for all the angles from 0 to 90. In the second quadrant, you have only sine function giving you positive values. And in the third quadrant, it is tan. And the fourth quadrant, it's cos, the cosine function that gives you positive values. Getting back to the question, it's 210, which is the angle given to you. So you have it somewhere here. So this angle is going to be 210 degree. And you can see it comes on the third quadrant. Now we know that the sine of 210, as it falls on the third quadrant, it is going to be a negative value. Now from 180, if you look at this angle here, which is an acute angle, this is 30 degree, because it's 180 plus 30 degree that gives you 210. So this is a 30, which takes us to the same exact value with the positive sign here. This angle is 30 as they're vertically opposite. So we know sine 30 is going to be 0.5. Now here, since it is in the third quadrant, sine 210 is going to be equal to negative 0.5. Now for those who prefer memorizing a formula, you can put it this way. Sine 180 minus theta is going to be sine theta, and sine of 180 plus theta is going to be minus sine theta. So this is a formula that you can use in questions like this. Now for the next question, they have asked you to find the exact value of cos 300. So my cos 300 is going to be somewhere here. I have my 300 degree. Definitely cos 300 is going to give me a positive value because it lies on the fourth quadrant. Now how am I going to find the value without a calculator? I'll find this angle here, which will be 60 degree, because I know the whole circle is 360. Till here is 300, so I have 60 remaining. On the first quadrant, it should be this point, having the same value as what you have on the fourth quadrant. So now this angle is going to be 60. So both having positive answers. Easily write cos 300 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. No, so my cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 over 2, or you can write 0.5. And both these quadrants, the first and the fourth, it's going to be a positive value. The last question for the day, find the exact value of cos 150. So my cos 150 is going to be somewhere here. So this is my angle, and I know this is 150 degree. Now if you look at this angle here, so it's going to be 180 minus 150, giving me 30 degree. So I'm going to find the value for cos 30 here. So cos of 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Now obviously cos 30 being in the first quadrant, it has to be positive, but we know that we are looking for cos 150, which is on the second quadrant, and hence the value for cos 150 is going to be negative root 3 over 2. So this is what you do every time. You take the acute angle on the first quadrant, find the value, and then decide the sign whether it's positive or negative based on the quadrant that the function falls. That's it.